Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, the wind brushing against your car, the engine humming like a well-oiled machine. Suddenly your car's performance starts to dip. Fuel efficiency drops, emissions rise, and the engine just doesn't feel right. 9 times out of 10, the culprit is a faulty oxygen sensor. A properly functioning car oxygen sensor is as essential as a beating heart. It keeps your car's engine running smoothly, ensuring optimal performance and minimal emissions. Now imagine you have the power to diagnose and solve this issue right in your garage. Today, we're going to delve into the world of car oxygen sensors, breaking down the process of testing each type of sensor into simple, easy-to-follow steps. First up, the zirconia oxygen sensor. This one's a bit of a classic. To test it, you'll need a multimeter. Start by locating and disconnecting the oxygen sensor from your car's engine. Connect the multimeter to the sensor and heat it with a propane torch. You're looking for a voltage of around half a volt when the sensor is hot. If the voltage isn't in that ballpark, you're likely dealing with a faulty sensor. Next, the titania oxygen sensor. This one operates a little differently. You'll still need a multimeter, but you'll be measuring resistance rather than voltage. Disconnect the sensor, connect your multimeter, and check the resistance. The ideal resistance for a titania sensor is between 20 to 40 ohms. Anything outside this range and you might need to replace your sensor. Lastly, we have the wideband oxygen sensor. This one's a bit more modern and requires a specific wideband sensor tester. Once you've disconnected the sensor, connect it to your tester. You're looking for a current of around 0.02 amps. Anything significantly higher or lower could indicate a problem. To summarize, oxygen sensors are vital for your car's performance and efficiency. Testing them involves a few simple steps and some basic equipment. For the zirconia oxygen sensor, you're checking the voltage with a multimeter, aiming for around half a volt. The titania oxygen sensor requires a resistance check, ideally landing between 20 to 40 ohms. And the wideband oxygen sensor needs a current check with a specialized tester, looking for a current around 0.02 amps. Remember, a well-functioning oxygen sensor is key to a smooth ride and a happy engine. So take the wheel, get into your garage, and ensure your car is running at its best. Because nothing beats the satisfaction of solving car issues by yourself, right in your own backyard. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your sensors sensing.